I'd say anybody who does YouTube as their full-time job is doing something right. Some people do it better than others. If you don't know who Shelby Church is, she's a tech and lifestyle YouTuber with a large focus on brand new tech like the Tesla when it came out and actual smart glasses, where her lifestyle portion has started to rotate around real estate and rental properties, which brought me in. In this video, I wanted to take a deeper look into what she does right and why people keep coming back, including myself. Since I make videos myself, we might as well look at someone else's success and see what we can learn. This video won't be super analytical about how her YouTube channel blew up and made it, but more about why I think and how I think she's doing YouTube right. Niche. She is in an evergreen niche for both tech and real estate, meaning there's always and will always be content/things for her to make videos on. And obviously she does it super well. People always want to know how good the new tech is. How good's that new iPhone? How good's the new Apple Watch? And people always want to know what the new mega mansion in LA looks like, even if they can't afford it. I know I did that. She is creating content that is searchable by new people every single day. You're moving to LA, you don't know what rent's like? She's got an apartment tour. And now you're going to Tokyo? She's got you. Moving to a new place is something everybody does, meaning everybody researches it. Appealing lifestyle. We all at one point wanted to be a YouTuber, or at least most of us, but seeing what the life is like brings people in. A YouTuber, comfortably paying the bills, traveling the world, not having to worry about their rent in LA, the ability to buy a house in the most expensive place in the country. That's why we all watch content in the first place, to see what's out there and what we might be missing out on. And when someone has all these great things going on at once, you create the need to know more about them, how they did it, and most importantly, what it's like. In short, she's doing what people want to do themselves, creating content that people want to see because of that. Relatability. Her content pertains to millennials as well as Gen Z, which are the biggest content consumers of all. And that's also who can relate to her the most. The people who are the most relatable in life are those who are the most modest and humble. Although Shelby's a famous YouTuber, you forget you're watching her do her job when watching her videos. It's like you're just listening to a friend give you some advice, which is exactly what you want it to feel like. She creates content around struggles everyday millennials and Gen Zers, did I just say that? Face. Not just struggles, but things we want and are interested in general. I believe I actually came across her channel when I was researching how much it would cost for me to move to LA. Millions of people want to move to LA, and she did it and shared the experience. Millions of people want a Tesla. She did it and shared the experience. And when someone you really relate to gets a Tesla, you want to know what they have to say, because it's kind of close to you doing it yourself. You don't gravitate or listen to people you don't know, don't like, or don't trust. She has a genuine skill of convincing people of those three things in an impressive amount of time. Through all the footage and videos I've shared with you guys in this video, she affords it all through her awesome business, which is her YouTube channel, meaning she is self-employed, which comes with some additional benefits, namely tax write-offs. From cosmetics to clothing to plane tickets, paying rent, business owners get money back for a lot of things, especially when the business's niche is so wide like hers is. She built up her business and now it gives her funds to invest back into her business where and how she wants, like traveling to Hawaii to film more videos. Just another example of her being a smart business owner was getting a Tesla, as she reviews tech on her channel as well. She's probably able to write off several parts of the purchase as well as most likely get all the money back she paid for the car by making several videos on it, which she did. She can probably now make one of those videos, how I got my Tesla for free. At the end of the day, she does a lot of things really well, and some of those things that stand out to me are relatable views, searchable content by anyone, the strong skill of storytelling combined with camera work. These two together are what keep people engaged through entire videos. She creates valuable content. When you click on her video, within the first 20 seconds, she's already told you what you're going to learn by watching the rest of it. That's something people don't even consciously realize, that if they're watching or consuming any type of content and they don't learn anything from it, it's when the brain loses interest. Like I said, I wanted to make this video to see what her path looked like to success and why it still works. If you enjoyed this video or it helped you in any way, consider leaving a comment telling me what your thoughts are and subscribing as well.